There are traders out there turning 5 figures into 7. On-chain, completely transparent, but what's the problem? Getting access to what they're doing has always been the issue. Until right now. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before investing into any financial projects we talk about on this channel. And if you are interested with connecting, the links to join will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comment. Alrighty folks, so we are over here on the website now, BitMEX.com, and the first thing I want to talk about is their 100k USDT rewards pool that is ending on April 5th this year. The pool itself is broken into 4 main sections. The first one being the loss coverage to protect your downside, the deposit cashback where you fund your account, trading tickets to boost your activity, and the one that's got me the most excited, referral links that actually boost your activity when you send them through a friend. So essentially doing all of those things as much as you can is going to get you closer to that 100k USDT. What's really cool is that this is not some vague sign-up bonus. Each reward does have a specific trigger, meaning the more active you are during that campaign, the more you're actually going to unlock. Now you got to remember folks, getting in extremely early does matter because these kinds of lucrative rewards that are very generous do get snapped up fast from my experience. Now we're going to be talking about why Hyperliquid has been so hard to follow until now and why you should probably get involved in having a look. Hyperliquid are what's called a decentralized, aka DEX, perpetuals exchange. So they can trade leverage up to 100x entirely on the blockchain, visible for everybody to see. Every position, every entry, all visible for the average person. Now what that really means is that you can actually verify a particular trader's by their wallet, all of their trades, and you can actually see if what they're talking about is legitimate, rather than just following random signals from like a group that you're not really too confident about, who just talk the talk but don't really walk the walk. So that in itself is a really important element of where blockchain technology in this manner comes in. Now the real issue has always been the access to actually involve yourself with these traders using Hyperliquid. Basically, the usual way is pretty complex. You got to set up random non-custodial wallets. You got to connect to random decentralized exchanges. It's just already just too much work. Why not just come onto BitMEX, click a few buttons, have it all centralized? It's very easy because this is what's going on now. BitMEX are allowing Hyperliquid to come on and trade via this copy trading in a decentralized manner. So you can copy these traders that do typically use Hyperliquid now on BitMEX. So you can probably guess what ends up happening, right? Most traders just end up quitting before they even start. And yeah, you guessed it, BitMEX is the first centralized exchange to basically facilitate the trading of traders on Hyperliquid to come on and trade here. Meaning you can directly pull those trader signals straight in from here on BitMEX, the centralized exchange. Meanwhile, get involved in that 100k USDT reward. Kind of a win-win for everybody. It means you get all of the upside from following these elite on-chain traders. But your funds don't ever leave BitMEX until you're ready to withdraw. No bridges, no wallets, no gas fees, and certainly no smart contract exposure. So as you can see here, you've got all the statistics. We are on the Hyperliquid section on the copy trading marketplace. Just to give you a few examples here, right at the top, we've got an ROI from this user here, this trader of 344.67%, a maximum drawdown of 4.02%, which is very low over the 30 days, a win ratio of 74.22%, so very good, and a 30-day profit and loss of plus $131,110 with $5 million of assets under management. Pretty impressive, and there's heaps more. And it gives you all of the stats. You can do reverse copy, copy. It's simple as just hitting copy here, going through, pressing a few buttons, and basically it will replicate that with your own actual account balance. Okay, so of course you're not going to be making millions and millions of dollars. It's just based on your account balance here. Okay, so essentially, if you've got 300% gain here, all right, on this particular trader here, for example, then with $100, you could potentially be up to $300 plus after the first month based on the 30-day statistics. What BitMEX does is it mirrors that particular trader's position and does the allocation based on what your allocation is. That's what gain you'll get. Now I'm going to talk to you a bit about a really cool feature that I've not seen on any other centralized exchange, and that is the reverse copy feature. Basically, it's the complete opposite of the standard trade. If you're able to identify a trader who is consistently over leveraged, you can actually make money from that. You basically take the opposite side of the trade that they make. So whatever they do, you basically do the opposite. It's actually a genuine hedging tool, useful in choppy and sideways markets. And it really just enables you to make profit from good trading as well as bad trading in this case. So the thing is, no other centralized exchange currently offers this, which makes it stand out to the rest of the market. So a real opportunity. Now remember folks, because you're following these Hyperliquid traders through BitMEX, everything is visible on chain. So you're taking out the guesswork, so you can actually make calculated decisions based on immutable on-chain data. If you've ever been curious about on-chain trading, this removes all the boundaries and headaches for you. The window is open right now. 100K USDT in rewards, the first CEX copy trading integration with Hyperliquid, and a reverse copy feature nobody else has. Link is in the description. Sign up, explore the leaderboard, and make your first copy trade today.